Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bliss Girl. This will be a short summary of Matt Purse course Tube Mastery and Monetization, and I am going to discuss some pros and cons of the course so you can decide whether to buy it or not. But before you finalize anything, kindly watch the free webinar at least once. It will clarify you much in detail. The link is mentioned in the description box below. One great thing about this course is that when you sign up, you can become an affiliate and the commission for each sale is 50%. So if you can get just 2 people to buy, then the course will have paid for itself. The course have affiliate marketing in one of the category and I have chosen that niche for this channel. You will learn in this course if you choose to get into the business, affiliate marketing or make money online niche, then you will get super high ad rates, and by promoting high ticket digital products, it's a great way to make money on YouTube. I will now give you an overview of what to expect from this course. A lot of this course is about how to make top 5 or top 10 list channels and also personal brand channels. However, there are few ideas given on the mixed categories too. Now I want to go over some pros and cons of this course. Starting with the pros, number 1. It is a long course packed with the detailed information to get succeed. It has 36 videos and it is over 5 hours long. So you likely need to watch all videos several times to get maximum benefit from it. Number 2. When you join the course, you become an affiliate for the course and you get 50% for each sale as I mentioned earlier. So you don't need to wait to get monetized and make money by just reviewing this course. Number 3. When you purchase the course, you can become a member of the Matt Purse private group where Matt actively answers the questions, and there are a lot of successful YouTubers in the Facebook group who can resolve your doubts and questions very fast. Number 4. The course shows you how to build a channel from the ground up, from start to finish, from A to Z. The course has all the necessary learnings that one needs to grow on YouTube. It has all the process with examples showing how to do good SEO for channels and videos. The understanding of YouTube algorithm is the most important thing and it is best explained here. Now talking about cons. Number 1. If you do not want to make your own videos, then you will have to pay other people to make videos for you by going to places like Upwork and Fiverr. You have probably heard that name. Outsourcing video is a big part of this course. If you don't have much to spend on voiceovers, script writing, video editing, or video thumbnails, or any other things that involve video creation, then you will have to do it all by yourself. Number 2. If you don't have an interesting personality or don't have much skills talking on camera, then you will find it hard for most of the niches. Because in order to add value to YouTube videos, you have to talk to your third-party footage. Or there are some channels that involves no talking, such as relaxing music, meditation, art and drawing, or white noise sound channels. Most kind of YouTube channels will require voice to get succeed. Number 3. This course is not always beginner friendly because it gets little technical in some areas and you need to be smart to get the most of you learned. But as I said, the course will be a guiding map, but you have to play a driver's role deciding the best ways to choose for moving ahead. So, in summary, this course will be helpful if you have strong motivation and desire that you want to succeed in YouTube anyhow. If you are prepared to invest time and money until you get results in growth of your channel. But overall, you will get tons of values if you buy the course. So I highly suggest you to have an idea from the Matt Purse course free webinar by clicking the link from the description box below. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification when I upload any new video. Thanks for watching.